What if you could take the sting out of a painful memory, or turn down the intensity of the fear that's been holding you back? And what if you could do this safely from the comfort of your own home without having to relive every detail? That's the power of EMDR, eye movement, desensitization, and reprocessing. Today in part 2, we're going from theory to practice. I'll guide you through a gentle, simplified version of EMDR, one that you can use safely for mild worries, small phobias, or memories that still hold a little emotional weight. I'll also share how you can access my EMDR app, and how, if you're a qualified therapist, you can take your learning even deeper through my professional training course. Hi, I'm Dominic Beirne, and welcome back to my channel for better mental health and emotional well-being. If you missed part 1, I recommend starting there. We covered what EMDR is, its fascination history, and the 8-phase process. Today, we're going hands-on, focusing on how to use EMDR gently and safely on yourself for minor concerns. Why it's not appropriate for deep trauma or intense emotions, and how to keep growing with EMDR through my app and training courses. EMDR is a very powerful therapy. It can bring up strong emotions and memories, sometimes very suddenly. So please do keep this in mind. If you're dealing with serious trauma, abuse, grief, or post-traumatic stress disorder, you should only do EMDR with a trained therapist. What I'm about to show you is suitable only for small phobias, mild anxious thoughts, or an old memory that still gives you an emotional sting. If at any point you feel overwhelmed, stop, breathe, and ground yourself. Let me give you a quick example about a client I worked with. I once worked with a client who had a strong fear of giving presentations. It wasn't a deep trauma, just something that made them panic and avoid opportunities at work. After just a few short EMDR sessions, that fear dropped from an 8 out of 10 right the way down to just a 2. They could speak in meetings with confidence, and that changed their career. This is the kind of gentle transformation we're talking about today. Now let's take a look at a simple way you can gently use EMDR on yourself. Number 1, decide on a target to focus on. Pick a mild memory, fear, or worry. Keep it light, nothing overwhelming. Number 2, notice how it feels. Close your eyes. Bring that image or thought to mind. Now notice how strong the feeling is. Rate it from 0 to 10. Drop the number down. It's a simple way to track your progress. Number 3, set up side-to-side stimulation. You can simply tap your knees, left, right, or gently move your eyes from side to side. Step 4, focus and process. While tapping or moving your eyes from left to right, think about the memory. Let images, sensations, and thoughts come and go naturally. Don't force anything, just notice. Step 5, Pause and recheck. After 30 to 40 seconds, stop. Breathe. Now rate the intensity again. Has it gone down from a 5 to a 3? Repeat the process until it feels lighter. Step 6. Install a positive belief. Once the distress is lower, focus on a new belief you'd like to have about yourself. I am safe now. I can handle this. I am enough. Tap or move your eyes again from left to right while saying this to yourself in a calm yet confident voice. Number 7. Close the process. When you start to feel calmer, imagine placing that memory into a safe folder in your mind. Take a few slow, deep breaths and allow yourself to gently return to the present moment before carrying on with your day. When something upsetting happens, the brain can sometimes store that memory in an unprocessed, almost raw state. And that is why it can still feel just as intense even years later. Through gentle side-to-side stimulation, whether it's tapping or eye movement, both sides of the brain begin to communicate and reprocess the memory. It then files it away as something that happened rather than something that's still happening today. Now, if you'd like to take this work a little deeper, you can download my EMDR app. You'll find the link in the description below and follow gentle step-by-step sessions safely at home. And if you work in mental health and you'd like to add EMDR to your professional toolkit, take a look at my EMDR for Better Mental Health and Emotional Wellbeing course. There will be a link for that as well down below. It walks you through the complete professional model in detail, step by step. EMDR gives us the ability to revisit old pain without becoming trapped in it. You still remember what happened, but it won't control your emotions or choices today. Now that's real freedom, isn't it? Now if you found this video helpful, please do like, share, comment, and do remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you'd like to support the channel, you can buy me a coffee. The link is also down below. On that note, remember, you can download the EMDR app from my website and take the first step toward reprocessing what's been holding you back. Until the next time, be kind to yourself and kind to others. I'm Dominic Beirne, wishing you better mental health and emotional well-being. See you in the next video.